Welcome to the Zelio PLC full beginner course step-by-step tutorial. No experience needed. Presented to you by Destech. So follow and be blessed on this full course. We will see on everything you need as a beginner to start programming with the Zelio software. So on this full course, we are going to be covering all of what you need as a beginner to start learning how to do PLC programming with this Zelio programming software. We walk you on the step-by-step method of how to download and install the software and how to start using it from beginners. And now we have many courses follows. So if you are having any questions you want to ask, you can just post them in the comments, and also we will leave some exercises you can do to keep yourself working, not to forget the concept of the PLC program. So see you in the next video.